You're watching an RH Reality Check production brought to you by rhrealitycheck.org.
On this edition of Reality Check, we'll take a look at the stem cell debate. Why do some people oppose research on cells that only resemble human beings on a molecular level? And how can we correct the misinformation that confuses the debate?
Stem cell research is a perfect example of where devaluing the culture of life has taken us. First, you have abortion. Now you have scientists doing experiments on little 4-cell babies that I like to call snowflake children. No, I'm not joking. Sure, they say this research might someday save the lives of people with diabetes or neurological diseases, but it definitely kills stem cells, and those are human too.
Stem cells are totally unrelated to abortion. When a couple is struggling with infertility and chooses in vitro fertilization, blastocysts are created in the lab, usually more than are needed. Once a couple has successfully gotten pregnant, there are more embryos around than are necessary. It is these embryos that are used in stem cell research. Why waste an opportunity to advance our scientific knowledge?
It doesn't seem right to use them in experiments. Experiments that usually kill these embryos. That's human life. Shouldn't it be protected instead of being wantonly destroyed?
Stem cells aren't people like you or me. Stem cells are so early in their developmental phase that they haven't even determined what they're going to become yet, which is why they can be manipulated into becoming specialized cells. Stem cells are so tiny that they're not even visible to the naked eye, which is why, if they're not used in research, they're just thrown in the trash. Isn't it better to use them for research to treat diseases like diabetes, Parkinson's, or degenerative nerve disease than just throwing them out?
Well, I don't like tossing snowflake children in the trash, but I really don't like doing experiments on them. Experimentation on these zygotes is dehumanizing. It's like they're lab animals or something. Why can't we just use the adult stem cells I hear so much about?
According to a report published by the American Medical Association, various studies have shown that adult stem cells have limited potential in research because, to make the scientific jargon a little more simple, they're less malleable than embryonic stem cells. Since we're talking about research that could help people with serious and life-threatening diseases, from diabetes to Alzheimer's, we shouldn't put artificial limits on the research. The hostility towards stem cell research and reproductive technologies shown by the anti-choice movement should be a firm reminder that they're hostile to science. We have a great opportunity with IVF technology to honor life twice over. Once for couples who can conceive using this technology, and once again for people whose lives might be saved by research done on leftover stem cells.